Tom's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the OnePlus 10T 5G for T-Mobile. So the OnePlus 10T is now here at T-Mobile. It's available now as of September 29th. It's available now in a moonstone black color option, which is very nice. 128 gigabytes of storage, and it's available now for $13.54 a month for 24 months at $0 down. So pretty cool there. Also, you can get the OnePlus 10T unlocked and use it on Verizon and AT&T if you guys want to go that route. I will have a link to the unlocked version of the OnePlus 10T 5G down below, so you guys can use it on Verizon and AT&T. So we're looking at the T-Mobile version here in this video. So yeah. So there's the phone right there, very nice looking phone. It has your cameras on the back, which I think it's quad cameras, because you have your cameras right here, camera flash on the back, OnePlus logo. The front of the phone has your wallpaper there, and never settle. Your front facing camera is right here where my mouse is, so that's pretty nice. It looks like the OnePlus 10 Pro that T-Mobile also offers as well, so that's pretty cool. So I wonder what the difference is between the OnePlus 10T and the OnePlus 10 Pro. So that's interesting there. I think your power button is on the right side of the phone and whatnot. The left side is there. It's kind of hard to tell if there's anything on the left side. It's kind of hard to tell. That's the back of it again. Like I said, your triple camera setup. Camera flash right there, and your OnePlus logo down the back. And keep in mind, you do have a bit of a camera bump, so be mindful of that when you're putting it on a table or on a table and stuff like that. Right side of the phone has your power button and stuff like that. Yeah. Features. So it has a triple camera system in the back, like I said, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel mono camera, which is interesting, 16 megapixel front facing camera, 31.5 hours of talk time, 14.5 days of standby time. Screen is 6.7 inches, fluid AMOLED, that's 2412 by 1080 pixel resolution, so pretty interesting aspect ratio and resolution and whatnot. Other features include a 125-watt super VOC fast charger. I think that is correct. 125 watts. I think that is correct. So that's fucking fast of charging. So if it is 125 watts, that should be super fast charging. So y'all guys should get really fast charging on here. So that's pretty cool. A full day's power in 10 minutes. Flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform. Hyper Boost skimming engine, which is cool. Customized AI system booster 2.1. 50 megapixel triple camera system, 120 Hz. Smart display, smart link with redesigned 360-degree closed loop antenna system. You also have Oxygen OS based on Android 12. So it's pretty neat. It says the OnePlus 10T 5G is the speed leading flagship, delivering ultimate performance driven by the fastest charging in OnePlus history. 125 watt super VOC. I don't know how you would say that V word, so I'm just saying it like that. Charging, giving you a full day's power in 10 minutes. In the most powerful Qualcomm mobile platform available, 10T has evolved beyond speed, so it has a fucking crazy ass charging speed, which is fucking ridiculous on a phone. 125 watts, that's fucking fast. And it claims that you can get a full days of power. It claims that you can get a full days of power in about 10 minutes. So I don't know the exact charging speed, but it should be fucking fast. So yeah. So the specs on the OnePlus 10T: 4800 mAh battery, Type C charging, Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN AC AX, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. You have Android 12 with Oxygen OS, 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is no micro SD support on this phone. You do get 4G, 5G. Email platform there. Hearing aid compatibilities, wireless emergency alert. You get mobile hotspot as well. Frequencies. The weight of the OnePlus 10T is 7.18 ounces. Width is 2.96 inches. Width, height 6.41 inches, like the depth 0.34 inches. What comes in the box is a lot of stuff. You guys can see right there on the screen. Y'all guys get your OnePlus 10T 5G smartphone, of course. That crazy ass 125 watt power adapter, which is fucking insane. Type C cable, which is nice to have. Quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, some tray ejection tool, USB dongle, Type A to Type C. So you do get a lot in the box there. It comes with the charging brick, of course, which is pretty nice to see on a phone nowadays, because a lot of phones are not coming with the charging brick. But this charging brick has insane charging speed of 125 watt. That's fucking fast. I don't know how fast that is. It should be crazy fast. So yeah, really nice features there. Yeah, there you guys have it. The OnePlus 10T 5G is now available at T-Mobile. It's available now for $13.54 a month for 24 months. I think the full retail price is $649.99 for the phone. I believe it is. You can also get this phone. Unlocked as well, and use it on Verizon and AT&T. Because AT&T and Verizon have certifications for the OnePlus 10T 5G on their networks. This is the T-Mobile version. So if you guys want the T-Mobile version, that would be the first link. If you guys want the unlocked version to use on Verizon and AT&T, that would be the second link in the video description. So check that out. So the OnePlus 10T is a very nice looking phone, great specs and stuff like that. The main selling point that it has a crazy ass charging speed of 125 watt, which is fucking insane. So you should get great battery life on this phone. And then when you guys need to charge the phone, y'all guys should get like 10 minutes of they claim 10 minutes of charging to get a full days of battery life. So that'd be pretty interesting to see how that goes. But nonetheless, it's still a nice looking phone, great features, great specs, and I think it's worth the price that it is. I think it's $649 for retail price. So yeah, check it out for yourselves. It's available now as of September 29th, and yeah, great looking phone as well. I wonder what the difference is between the OnePlus 10T and the OnePlus 10 Pro. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.